Hello! Today I want to show you the new setup assistant of ColorGATE Production Server 2310 onwards and how it helps you to transfer your existing data from a previous installation like printer definitions, program settings, job settings and so on to the latest version. For new customers, the setup assistant will help you to add a new printer easily. On top of this, there's an online help which gives you detailed explanation about the process. So first, let's start with the installation of the latest version 2310. Start the installer, click Next. We accept the license agreement and click Next. We select our license type, in this case single host license, software. We choose Complete and click Next. Next and Install. After installation, click Finish. Now we get a shortcut on the desktop which we can start. First of all, we should enter the new activation code which is provided in our bill. Just paste it there. Click Activate. And instantly the setup assistant opens. In case you closed it by accident, you can reopen the assistant by clicking on the Help tab and Setup Assistant. This Setup Assistant provides you the most important functions to make you able to work with the software on one spot. So let's have a deeper look on each option. First, by clicking the green icon, you can add a new printer. How this works is described in a separate training video or in the online help. On previous installations, you have to go to Printer and click on New, which opens the same menu. The second item, import the system configuration from a previous version. This is something which is new. You can click on this. For instance, if you have installed a production server version 22 or older, you can restore the program settings and you can restore the jobs. The restoring of the program settings makes sure that you use the same settings as in your previous installation. If it's unselected, you keep your current settings. Restore jobs. If selected, your job folder will be restored. On the bottom side, we see the path for job data. This is the path to store your job data. By default, it is a job directory of your installation. Change this only if you want to store your job data on a separate location, for instance, another hard drive. Let's click OK. Now we see two items were imported, the job settings and the printer configuration. Click OK. To finalize the settings, the program will be restarted. Click OK. Now we see on the left side the job was restored, and if I go to Printer, Properties, you see that my previous printer configuration was overtaken. When I open the Setup Assistant again, a new item was added. Open one of your existing printer definitions, in case I have an existing printer definition. Now I do, because it was overtaken from the previous installation. Furthermore, I can click here, Restore a previous backed up system configuration, in case I made a backup on my previous production server version. Just click it, open the file, select it, click OK. But first, you need to open the application with administrative rights. Click OK. Click Yes, and finally OK. Now the program will restart to apply the changes. Under the last item, Get information on how to set up your configuration, you find an online help which explains you each step in detail, combined with some links for choosing a printer, importing system configuration, or restoring a backup. Now you're ready to work. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoy our new software version. In case you have any questions, please reach out at contact@colorgate.com.